Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Work in a ventilated area and wear gloves and eye protection. Place a towel under the mirror and remove loose paper first. Gather a hair dryer, isopropyl alcohol, white vinegar, vegetable oil, a razor blade, and a microfiber cloth. Measure 1 tablespoon of vinegar into a small bowl when diluting is necessary. Set the hair dryer to medium heat to avoid damaging mirror backing. Position the razor blade at a 45-degree angle when scraping later. Heat the glue for 30 to 60 seconds with a hair dryer to soften it. Dab a few drops of vegetable oil or isopropyl alcohol onto the glue. Let the solvent work for 1 to 2 minutes before you scrape. Hold the razor blade flat and scrape gently at a 45-degree angle. Wipe loosened residue with a microfiber cloth and repeat heating if necessary. Continue until the glue lifts in thin strips and no sticky film remains. Mix 1 tablespoon white vinegar with 1 cup water for a gentle cleaning solution. Dampen a microfiber cloth and wipe the mirror surface to remove oil and solvent residue. Rinse the cloth and repeat until the glass feels clean and smooth. Dry thoroughly with a fresh microfiber cloth to prevent streaks and water spots. Finish by spraying glass cleaner and polishing until you see a clear reflection. Inspect edges carefully for any remaining adhesive and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.